Good morning. Welcome to Module 7, Lesson 1. Today we're going to be solving word problems in different contexts using a letter to represent the unknown. We've done this before, but before you get started on Zern and practicing some of that, what I want to go over is some vocabulary you're going to need to know for this module. There's a lot of vocabulary, so over the next couple of days I'm going to introduce you to some terms that you may know and some terms you definitely don't know. Today we've got 6 terms that most of you know. Now, I've got some pictures up here, some shapes that I'm going to reference, but first I want to say when we're looking at our shapes, the biggest thing we have to focus on, no gaps, no overlaps. We're not drawing any of these shapes to where they're going way across. We're not leaving empty spaces between the lines and the angles. Everything has to be a completely closed shape. Now, our first shape here is a triangle. A triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 angles. That's an angle, that's an angle, and that's an angle in there. Now there's different types of triangles, but right now all you need to know is that there's triangles with 3 sides and 3 angles. That's the rule for a triangle. Looking at this shape here, is it a rectangle or is it a square? Well, that's where things start to get a little tricky with this unit. So a rectangle has 4 straight sides. This has 4 straight sides. It has 4 angles. This has 4 angles. And it has to have 2 sets of equal sides. Well, this side is equal to this side. And this side is equal to this side. So does it meet all the rules of a rectangle? Yes, it does. But does it also meet the same rules as a square? Where a square has 4 equal straight side lengths. Is this side equal to this side? Equal to this side, equal to this side? Well, yes, it is. Okay, does it have 4 equal angles? Is the shape of this angle the same as the shape of this angle, the same as the shape of this angle, and the same as the shape of this angle? Yes, it does. So this is a rectangle and it's a square because it meets all the rules of a rectangle and a square. Now, if you look at this shape here, does this meet the rules of a rectangle? Does it have 4 straight sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it have 4 angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Does it have 2 sets of equal sides? I've drawn these lines here to show that this side and this side are equal. And I've drawn the double sides here. This side and this side are equal. So here's 1 set, here's 2 sets of equal sides. Is this a rectangle? Yes. Is this a square? 4 equal straight lines. Is this the same length as this? No. Is this the same length as this? No. So because all 4 sides aren't equal, this is not a square, but it is a rectangle. Because all 4 sides are equal here, this is a square and this is a rectangle. This is something we're going to come back to and really focus on. But you've got to know the rules for a rectangle and you've got to know the rules for a square. Now the next 3 shapes are very similar in rules. A pentagon has 5 straight sides and 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. Hexagon, 6 straight sides, 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. And an octagon, you guessed it, 8 straight sides, 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles. These are the first few vocabulary terms we're going to look at, and we're going to really dive into these on Thursday. We're going to need to know the definitions of all of these words on Thursday, so please go over them and practice them. Triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. I'll see you for the debrief.